What's up, guys? Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I am with my latest Shapeways order. So this is like an unboxing type video, and I kind of wanted to unveil this because it's a new project I'm working on. These parts came from various people. So first up are these really cool deep dish wheels, and these are for John Deere tractors, and they're kind of pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but they're really cool. And I'm going to use them on this first project, and if they work out good on it, I'm going to go to an older project. I want to build a really high detail 8960 four-wheel drive as my next project, but I'm kind of testing these out first on this project, which is going to be a 9620R wheel tractor. And I'll show you more of that here in a second. I'll probably do a little video on that build as well. That way, if you guys want to do it, you can. This is going to be one of those extreme detail builds. So I'm going all out, so that's why I got the expensive wheels. So, if you're going to have some nice wheels, you got to have nice tires. So check these bad boys out. These are 520R46. Tires, deep tread, kind of see that there. You know, again, quite a bit of money for these, which you know, is what it is, I guess. You got to pay to play, and you know, I'm only building one of these, so whatever. I guess. All right. Next up. This is kind of an unrelated. We're moving away from that for a little bit. We've got a new flatbed coming, so that's pretty sweet. I'm gonna put that on a pickup truck, and in fact, I'm gonna put it on that pickup truck. So there you go. Paint the bed black. Put it on there. It's gonna look sweet. All right. I'm sticking to everything today. It's humid. All right. Next up is, oh, these are cool, yeah. These are seed bags. You know, so like corn bags or beans or whatever. So I got to do some painting on those, and then those, you know, can you know, they come apart individually, and then you can put them in the back of a pickup truck or whatever, just for added detail. So that's kind of for the display that I'm working on, which you guys have seen a million times at this point. Just adding detail to it. Okay, next up, oh yeah, these are cool too. These are like detail parts. So you got gas cans, fluid cans, oil cans, aerosol cans, you name it, there it is. And I just wanted those for my shop and maybe for a few trucks and things like that. Just for added detail. Okay, next up are some little generators. So those are for my service truck, or a couple service trucks I'm working on, various things. So that's that. All right, working on it here. Sorry. Now this one, okay, this is a pallet of corn bags. I think I got these from Bailey Wilfang, if I remember correctly, on his Shapeways store. He's very talented, very, very talented young builder. So, especially with this 3D stuff, he's a good guy. Anyway, so that's going to go on a pallet. I have pallets at home that Nate from Nate's Farm Toys built me, and so we'll get those painted up, and that'll go on pallet, and that can go in the back of a truck or whatever. Okay, here is the 100-pound gorilla in the room. This is the detail kit for the 9620R. And so this was made by Hector. So the same person that did my the RT Extreme Detail Kit, that's where this came from. And so this has got new tanks, it's got weights, it's got rear weights, front weights, the whole rear end section, you name it, it's on there. Just sort of takes the detail and just to an extreme level. That's why I've been calling those builds extreme detail builds. So anyway, that's that. That's a sprue I just snapped. Oh well. So that's kind of where it's at. Can't wait to get started on this. Gonna get these parts in some cleaner, and then honestly they're gonna sit for a while because harvest is here, or coming anyway, and no time to mess with it. But just wanted to give you guys a taste of what I'm working on, some things you're gonna see in the pretty near future, or at least after harvest and all that stuff. So all right guys, I appreciate you watching as always. Any questions, post them below. All the stuff you can find on Shapeways. None of this stuff is actually on my Shapeways store because I bought it from other people. Because they're making the cool stuff and I've got everything of mine. All right, guys. I'll catch you later. Have a great day. Happy tractor hunting.